Hi, welcome back to ViaVia's Kitchen with me, Lala. Today, I would like to share the recipe of fried tofu. Usually, this recipe is very famous during Ramadan season, like today, and we usually call it gorengan. Gorengan is one of the gorengan itself, food that is fried. One of them is made from tofu. There's so many things of gorengan. We usually call it from tofu, and also tempe and also fried banana. Fried banana is also one part of gorengan. And today I will share the recipe of tofu that I will fill with some of vegetables, and the recipe I will show you. And here I'm using 8 tofu. This kind of tofu is fried one. You can use firm tofu. I'm using 8 tofu. And then rice flour, 50 grams of rice flour. And then here I'm using 200 grams of all-purpose flour. And then here also I have 200 ml of water. And for the vegetables, I only use bean sprout and 1 small carrot and spring onion and then garlic. Okay, for the first step, I will prepare for the vegetables to fill in the tofu. First, I will cut the carrot into julienne shape. Cut into julienne shape into small pieces. And then put aside. And then I will slice the spring onion. Make it in slice. So as I've told you before, I have bean sprout. If you don't have bean sprout, or it's hard for you to find bean sprout, you can use cabbage. Then I will saute the bean sprout and the carrot. And then here I'm using 1 onion with small amount of salt. I put here. Crush the onion and the salt. Like this. And then I will saute all of the vegetables. Here, turn on the fire into medium heat. And then I need 1 tablespoon of oil. Here I'm using soya oil. And then I will saute the garlic. Saute the garlic until it smells good, and then put the carrots in. Cook the carrot and saute until the carrot is a little bit soft. You can add it with water to make it soft. Keep stirring. And then I will put the bean sprout in and the spring onion also. And then saute and stir well. And then I will season with salt, pepper, and sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then turn off the fire, and the vegetable to filling in the tofu is ready. Wait for a while and let it cool. And then I will prepare for the tofu. I will slice the tofu into 2 parts, but not until I will show you how to cut the tofu. Like this. And then I will do the rest. Again, you can use fried tofu like this or firm tofu. You cannot use soft tofu because it's easy to break or easy to tear here. So it's better for you to use fried tofu like this or firm tofu. And then for the next step is preparing for frying the tofu. So to coat it with the tofu, I will use flour. Here I'm using 200 grams of all-purpose flour, and then here I also using rice flour, about 50 grams or 2 or 3 tablespoons of rice flour. And then to seasoning the flour, the batter, I'm using 1 garlic, and then salt. I'm using about 1 teaspoon of salt, and then crust. And I will put it into the flour. And then I'm added with rice flour. And then I will add water to make the batter. The using of the water is about 200 ml until 250, and I will show you the texture of the batter. The using of the rice flour is to make the texture of the fried tofu is more crunchier. If you don't have rice flour, just use all-purpose flour. Okay, the texture of the batter is like this. And then I will put aside. I will fill the tofu with the vegetable that we have already made before. Take one tofu and then fill the vegetables, and then do the same with the rest of the tofu. Okay. And then I will prepare to fry the tofu with the batter. Here I'm using wok pan and a lot of oil. The technique of to fry the tofu is deep frying, so it uses a lot of oil, about 200 milliliters of oil, and then turn off the fire into medium. Turn on the fire into medium heat and wait until the smoke comes out and it's a little bit warm, and then we are ready to fry the tofu. Okay, first put the tofu inside the batter. And then coat it with the batter. And then fry it. Put it in the oil and fried it until golden brown. Don't forget to use medium heat of fire so it's not easy to burn. And wait until the one side is a little bit dry, and then we are ready to flip the other side. Okay. After the batter is golden brown, until the tofu is already golden brown, and then so after all of the tofu is being fried, and then the tofu is ready, and then it's ready to serve. Okay, this is it. The fried tofu is ready. This is suitable to make snack in breaking fast. And don't forget to recook this fried tofu in your kitchen. And if you have some question, you can drop in the comment below. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice try, everyone.